Hey everyone, in today's quick video, I'll show you step by step how to pay using your Capitec virtual card. Whether you are shopping online or linking it to your digital wallet, this guide has you covered. Let's get straight into it. First, you'll have to activate your virtual card. Open your Capitec banking app and log in. Tap on cards at the bottom of your screen. Now look for your virtual card under the My Cards section. If you haven't created one yet, tap Add Virtual Card, choose the account it links to, and confirm with your PIN. Virtual card is free and safer for online payments. Step 2. View card details. To make a payment, tap on your virtual card and select Show Card Details. Here you will see your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Use these just like a regular card when paying online. Step 3. Online payment. Now go to your favorite online store. At checkout, choose Pay with Card and enter the details from your virtual card. Double check everything, especially the CVV and expiry date. Then tap Pay. Some sites may send a Capitec in-app approval request or OTP. Step 4. Tap to pay. Want to use your virtual card for contactless payments? Open your Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet, tap Add Card, and follow the prompts to link your Capitec virtual card. Once verified, you can tap to pay at any store that accepts contactless payments. Quick tips. Use for online and tap payments. No physical card needed. Can be frozen or deleted instantly. Capitec's virtual card is perfect for safer, flexible payments in 2025. No plastic, no waiting, just fast, secure transactions. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick guides, and drop your questions below.